The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
There are several common household items that can be equally as effective at removing carpet stains as some harsher, more expensive chemical treatments. Test a small, inconspicuous area of your carpet with any homemade stain remover before use to avoid damage. Here are two popular options. 1. When someone spills juice or red wine on your carpet, try using club soda, but be sure to act fast, as club soda works best on fresh stains. 2. For those times when you need a little more stain fighting power, add baking soda to dishwashing liquid, white vinegar, and warm water. Mix the ingredients in a spray bottle and you're ready to go.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.